Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the DramaBox app if it's not working or keeps crashing on your phone. Let's get started. First, try the simplest fix. Close DramaBox completely. Swipe off from the bottom. To open the app switcher, swipe the DramaBox app away from the screen to fully close it. Then tap the DramaBox icon to open it again. Sometimes a fresh start solves the problem. DramaBox need internet to work properly. Make sure your Wi-Fi is connected to your phone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening a website or another app to confirm your connection is working. An old version of DramaBox can cause crashes. Open the App Store on your phone, tap on your profile at the top right, and then scroll down. If the DramaBox has an update, tap update, and that's it. These steps usually fix DramaBox not working or crashing on your phone so you can enjoy your dramas again. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.